Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ultra Prime Selections. We are thrilled to have you join us once again. Whether you're a long-time viewer or a newcomer, we appreciate your presence and your commitment to staying informed and inspired. You know, the place where we like to shine a light on all the good happening in the world and celebrate the unsung heroes who make a difference every day. From heartwarming stories of community support to groundbreaking innovations that promise a brighter future, we cover it all. Our mission is to arm you with the tools to weather any storm. Life can be unpredictable and challenges are inevitable, but with the right mindset and resources, we can navigate through even the toughest times. And speaking of storms, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the rumor running rampant through the internet lately. In today's digital age, misinformation can spread like wildfire, causing unnecessary panic and confusion. We're talking about the news surrounding Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Recently, there have been numerous reports and speculations about his political future, leading to a whirlwind of rumors. Now, you might have heard whispers about his resignation, and some folks even thought he had already stepped down. It's amazing how quickly misinformation can spread, especially on social media platforms where rumors often gain traction without verification. But hold on a second, because that's not the whole story. It's crucial to take a step back and look at the facts before jumping to conclusions. In this case, the truth is a bit more nuanced. Turns out, Prime Minister Trudeau did mention stepping down, but not immediately. He has outlined a timeline for his departure, ensuring a smooth transition of leadership. This approach aims to maintain stability and continuity in the government. It just goes to show, in this day and age, staying accurately informed is more important than ever. With so much information at our fingertips, it's our responsibility to discern fact from fiction and seek out reliable sources. And that's what we're all about here at Ultra Prime Selections. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to bring you the most accurate and uplifting stories, ensuring you stay well informed and inspired. So buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into a topic close to all our hearts: thriving in turbulent times. In the face of adversity, it's essential to find ways to not just survive, but to thrive. We'll explore strategies, share personal stories, and provide practical tips to help you navigate through life's ups and downs with resilience and grace. From self-care practices like meditation and exercise to staying connected with loved ones, we'll cover a range of approaches to maintain your well-being. It's all about finding balance and taking proactive steps to care for your mental, emotional, and physical health. We'll also share inspirational quotes and messages from motivational speakers who have overcome their own challenges. Their stories serve as a reminder that no matter how tough things get, there is always hope and a way forward. Additionally, we'll highlight the power of community and the importance of supporting one another. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on both the giver and the receiver. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and resilience. Finally, we'll discuss the significance of setting goals and planning for the future. By having a clear vision and taking actionable steps towards your aspirations, you can stay motivated and focused, even during challenging times. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, at Ultra Prime Selections, we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more uplifting stories and practical advice to help you thrive in turbulent times. Until next time, take care and stay positive. All right, let's be real, folks. We all have those days when life feels like a never-ending series of challenges. You know, those moments when everything seems to be going wrong and you can't catch a break. It's like the universe is testing your patience and resilience. Life can throw some curveballs our way when we least expect it. One minute you're cruising along and the next, you're dodging obstacles left and right. It's as if life has a way of keeping us on our toes, constantly challenging us to adapt and overcome. It's like trying to catch a fly with chopsticks. Tricky, frustrating, and sometimes you just end up chasing it around the room. You might feel like you're putting in all this effort, but the results are elusive, just out of reach, and that can be incredibly disheartening. But here's the good news. Building resilience, that inner strength to bounce back from anything, starts with small, meaningful actions. It's about taking those tiny steps forward, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. Each small action you take is a testament to your determination and willpower. Think of it like building a sandcastle, one grain at a time. Each grain might seem insignificant on its own, but together they create something beautiful and strong. It's a process that requires patience and persistence, but the end result is worth it. That's where the magic of micro goals comes in. These are the small, manageable tasks that you can accomplish with relative ease. They might seem trivial at first glance, but they have the power to create significant change over time. By breaking down your larger goals into smaller, more achievable steps, you make the journey less daunting and more manageable. These are those bite-sized tasks that seem deceptively simple but pack a powerful punch. Each time you complete one, you get a little boost of confidence and motivation. It's like giving yourself a pat on the back for a job well done, and that positive reinforcement can be incredibly motivating. We're talking about things like learning a new chord on the guitar, which might seem like a small achievement, but it's a step towards mastering the instrument. Each new chord you learn builds on the previous one, creating a foundation for more complex pieces. Finally, organizing that drawer full of mismatched socks, which might seem like a mundane task, but it brings a sense of order and accomplishment to your day. It's a small victory that can make a big difference in how you feel about your environment, or just taking 5 minutes to write a heartfelt thank you note to someone who made your day. This simple act of gratitude can strengthen your relationships and bring a smile to someone's face. It's a small gesture that can have a ripple effect, spreading positivity and kindness. These small victories, my friends, are the building blocks of something much bigger. Each one is a step towards your larger goals and dreams. They might seem insignificant on their own, but together they create a powerful momentum that propels you forward. Every time you cross one off your list, it's a signal to your brain that says, hey, we can do this. We're making progress. This sense of accomplishment releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone, which boosts your mood and keeps you motivated to tackle the next task. And that, my friends, is a feeling that no amount of uncertainty can take away. It's the confidence that comes from knowing you're capable of achieving your goals, one small step at a time. So embrace the power of micro goals and watch as they transform your life, one tiny victory at a time. All right, let's talk about a topic that's probably on everyone's mind these days, finances. And look, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've learned a thing or two about navigating choppy financial waters. One of the most important lessons, diversifying your income streams. And luckily, we live in a time where the gig economy is booming and side hustles are all the rage. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others might find valuable? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a master chef in the kitchen, or maybe you have a knack for writing heartfelt greeting cards. Whatever your talent, there's probably a way to monetize it. Platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork have made it easier than ever to connect with potential customers and start generating income on your own terms. Hey everyone, we're back. Today we're diving into something that has become an integral part of our daily lives, something that has transformed the way we live, work and connect with each other. Yes, you guessed it, technology. And in this chapter we're diving into the incredible world of technology. From the latest gadgets to the most innovative software, technology is constantly evolving, bringing new possibilities and opportunities to our fingertips. Now, I know what you might be thinking, John. Technology in turbulent times? Seriously? Yes, seriously, because in times of uncertainty, technology can be our greatest ally. But hear me out, because in a world that can sometimes feel like it's changing faster than ever, technology is our lifeline. It's the thread that weaves us together, even when we're miles apart. It's the bridge that keeps us connected to the people we care about, the information we need, and the opportunities that are out there. Whether it's a video call with family, an online class, or a virtual meeting with colleagues, technology makes it all possible. Think about it, just a few years ago. Could you imagine having a face-to-face conversation with someone across the world without leaving your living room? It was the stuff of science fiction, but now it's our reality. Or learning a new skill from experts in their field, all from the comfort of your couch. Online education has opened up a world of knowledge to anyone with an internet connection. Technology makes all of that possible and so much more. It has revolutionized the way we live, making our lives more convenient, efficient and connected. It allows us to maintain those vital connections with friends and family, no matter where they are in the world. A simple video call can bring a smile to a loved one's face, bridging the gap created by distance. Collaborate with colleagues on projects, share ideas in real time, and work together seamlessly, even if you're not in the same room. The power of technology makes remote work not just possible, but productive and efficient. And even forge new relationships with people who share our passions, no matter where they are in the world. Online communities and social media platforms have brought people together, creating spaces for connection and collaboration. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to harness its power. With user-friendly interfaces and intuitive designs, technology is accessible to everyone, regardless of age or technical expertise. With a few simple clicks, you can unlock a world of possibilities and stay connected to what matters most, even when times are tough. Whether it's staying in touch with loved ones, learning something new, or working from home, technology is there to support you. So buckle up, because we're about to explore how technology can empower you to thrive no matter what challenges come your way. From virtual reality to artificial intelligence, the future is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let's dive in and discover the endless possibilities that technology has to offer. All right, folks, we've talked a lot about building resilience and getting financially savvy during tough times, but you know what? None of that matters if we don't take care of ourselves, our minds and bodies. This isn't about being selfish. It's about filling your own cup so you can help others. Think of it like those oxygen masks on a plane. You've got to secure your own before you can help the person next to you. So how do we prioritize wellness when things feel chaotic? Well, it starts with simple, consistent actions. We're not talking about becoming marathon runners or Zen masters overnight. Even small steps can make a huge difference. Trust me. You know, one of the most amazing things about humanity is our ability to come together, especially during challenging times. We're not meant to go through life alone. Having a support system, a community, can make all the difference. Whether it's family, friends, neighbors, or even online groups, surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people is crucial. Remember, even the strongest individuals need a shoulder to lean on from time to time. Well, folks, that's a wrap on this episode of Ultra Prime Selections. But before we sign off, let's talk about what's coming up next week. We're diving into a topic that's got everyone buzzing. Could Canada become the 51st state? We'll be exploring all sides of this intriguing question, so buckle up. Plus, don't miss an exclusive message from our president. He'll be sharing his vision for navigating these transformative times. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To make sure you don't miss a single episode, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Remember, even in a world filled with uncertainty, we can find ways to thrive. Keep your heads up, stay connected, and never stop believing in the power of hope. Until next time, stay strong, stay kind, and keep on shining.